Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, heated seats, heated steering wheel, a bedliner, and much more. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.